Oh, you got a low battery. You have a low battery. You got a low battery. Push, Jasmine.
Pick you up in my trunk for it.
Yay, Jasmine.
Oh, Jasmine.
Shut up.
Where's the keys to the truck? The door's locked.
The window's down.
Oh. You don't have to tape on me.
Yeah, I know. You're putting a ramp in the truck, so I'm gonna tape you. If you don't want to be taped, go sit in the car.
That's like Jocelyn.
Sir, if you don't want to be taped, go sit in the car. What finger is that, Jasmine? Live.
I had it plugged up, that's why. My phone's on 20. Oh, you're mad because I took my charger.
See how overboard you went?
But she's sitting here.
You didn't have to say nothing up.
I didn't think you were mad. Hey!
What?
How you doing?
Yeah, you are weird. She said, hey! What you doing?
She told me I touched it.
I touched you. How about that?
Mine's is different. Oh,
Wait, no, this is
I
going-
get that on camera.
Look at this.
What is that?
Nice little shoe.
Very weird.
Look at the shoe.
Nice little bike. Let me see the shell.
Shoe.
Oh, when did she get that?
Oh, look at the pretty remote for the lights.
Ooh. Oh, this is his keys.
And look, it covers up.
Oh, snap, do that again?
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, that is nice.
That's nice.
That's real nice.
I have to use my phone for GPS to stop.
Okay,
It's
my phone
dead.
has GPS. Then how you gonna plug? I know where you live.
My phone is completely dead. You can let me charge it since you unplugged
Okay,
mine.
but why would you just unplug mine and say, can I
Like
plug
you
my
unplugged
phone?
mine,
Wow,
right?
That's my charger.
Jerry.
That's not yours.
Really?
Because she's stupid.
All right, Danny, that's enough of that.
Okay. Cut.